Welcome back to the vlog, everybody. Plans changed today because we just had a brownout, which means no electricity and no water. We had a few things planned, including a haircut, but instead of that, we're gonna go around Palawan looking for cold desserts. Should be enjoyable. Stay tuned. Alright, we just found a little spot on the side of the road. They're serving ice cream. Let's see what they have. So what type of ice creams? What flavors? Mango, strawberry, and vanilla. Okay. Alright, so we just got some ice cream. Apparently it's called dirty ice. I hope it's not dirty. It looks pretty good. I think this is a perfect treat on a hot day like today. We have strawberry, we have mango, and we also have vanilla. Let's taste this. Okay, so this is almost like a sorbet. Less like an ice cream, more like a sorbet. Strawberry is really good. Let's try the mango. Hopefully it's not the sour mango. Hopefully it's the sweet mango. Tastes just like mango. It doesn't really taste like a artificial mango too much. It tastes like the real deal. Now let's try vanilla. This is the vanilla right here. Real smooth. It has a natural vanilla taste as well, not an artificial vanilla taste. I really enjoy this right here, especially during this brownout. This is the perfect little treat. So after this, we're gonna look for halo halo. It's a traditional Filipino dessert. We're gonna test that out and see how it is. For now, I'm gonna finish this ice cream and I'll catch you at the next spot. Alright, so due to the brownout, it's been extremely difficult to find halo halo. We finally found a spot after maybe 30 minutes of driving around. It still has electricity, so we're gonna check it out, see how halo halo tastes. Hello, can I get halo halo?
Yes.
And then can I also get a 4-piece lumpia?
A few moments later.
Okay, the halo halo just came out. It looks delicious. On top is a leche flan right here. There's also cheese. The top layer is ube. The second layer is caramel. And the bottom layer is evaporated milk. There's also gulaman in it, which is kind of like a jello. And there's bananas and sweet potato. And then finally there's some beans in it as well. I'm gonna mix this up and I'm gonna see how it tastes. Just before, I'm gonna taste the flan first. This is the flan. Tastes very similar to the Mexican flan. Okay, I'm gonna give it a mix. Alright, now that I mixed it up, I'm gonna taste this. For some reason, it kind of tastes like buttered popcorn. I'm gonna get some of this ube. I want to taste some of this sweet potato. This is the sweet potato right here. So the sweet potato is nice and soft. Alright, I really want to scoop everything so I can get a full taste of it. So we have some beans on here, some sweet potato, some cheese, some ube, banana, gelatin, tapioca. Let's see how this goes when you mix it all together. It's nice and cold, very refreshing. Somehow when you mix all these ingredients together, they go together perfectly. So now that it's all mixed together, I'm gonna take a sip of this. Okay, it is so much better when you drink it. The spoon is just too small. You can't really get all the ingredients on there. But when you drink it, it's amazing. Alright, the lumpia Shanghai just came in. I think this is some type of marmalade jelly, maybe a spicy jelly. These kind of look like little buns. One was like Snoop Dogg. Look. All right, we're gonna taste this. All right, I'm gonna finish up eating all these, and then I'm gonna drink the rest of this halo halo. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. I really enjoyed that halo halo stand we just went to, but I didn't really have anything to compare it to. So we were driving, and on the side of the road we found another halo halo stand. So I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna compare the two. The last halo halo was 140 pesos. This one looks like it's 50 pesos. So we're gonna see which is the better deal and which is better quality. Come with me. So they have a few different halo halos you can get. They have cheesy mango, classic, and banana. I went with the classic halo halo because at the last spot I also got the classic. So I feel like it'll be a better comparison between the two. Over here he's making it.
Nope.
Yes. Alright, we just got the halo halo. All the ingredients in this are the same as the last spot, except there's no sweet potato and there's also no beans. So on the top, there's the flan, there's the cheese, and then ube. Inside, more ube. There's some jello, there's some tapioca, bananas, and caramel as well. So I'm gonna give this a taste. I'm gonna taste the flan first with a little bit of cheese on it. It's a nice, delicious caramel flan. I'm gonna try a little bit of this ube. It's almost like a sweet potato. So apparently how you're supposed to drink this is you mix it around and then you drink it. You don't really scoop it too much. So I'm gonna taste this. I'm gonna do it a little bit different than last time. I'm gonna kind of mix this up. Oh. Give it a good mix. There's some ice on the top to keep it nice and cool. So I'm gonna get some of those bananas with the ube and a little bit of jello. So the last spot was pretty good. Personally, I like this one a lot better and it's cheaper. I'm gonna give this another bite with all the tapioca, the banana, and the ube. So if I were to compare this to the last one, I would definitely recommend this one. This is only 50 pesos, and the last one was 140. This one's cheaper and surprisingly better. I'm gonna take a sip of this. So smooth, so delicious, so refreshing. We might go check out another halo halo spot, so I have another reference to compare this to. But this right here is a perfect, delicious treat on a summer day. Okay, so we found another spot for desserts. This place is called Bake Shop. It's kind of just a small bakery. Let's see what they have. Ooh. Hello. Which dessert would you recommend? Which dessert would you recommend?
Here.
These right here? What is this?
Coco Bingka.
Boho Binka?
Yes.
What's in there?
Coco, young coconut.
Okay. Can I try one of those?
One.
Yeah, just one. There's some jelly donuts over here. Some little banana treats. Some sesame balls. What's the total? Alright, so we got another dessert to go with the halo halo. This is a little pastry. So there's flour, sugar, egg, and there's also young coconut in this. I think it's just a baby coconut. So I'm gonna try this right here. I'm gonna give a big bite. Okay, so this right here is like a coconut cupcake. Very delicious. This would be good with some tea in the morning or maybe some coffee. It's also good with the halo halo. Alright, so this vlog is coming to an end. We had a bunch of delicious Filipino desserts. My stomach's starting to hurt. My sweet tooth is fulfilled. I think we're gonna call it there. Welcome back to the vlog, everybody. Today we're gonna go on a jungle hike that leads to a waterfall. It's around a 45-minute hike. Should be a lot of fun. Stay tuned. Welcome back. We just made it to the entrance of the hike. It was a little bit difficult to find because we are so deep in nature, as you can see. We're gonna start this hike and we'll film along the way. Stay tuned. Alright, we just entered the crossroad. We have to decide if we want to go left or right. Not too sure which way, but we're going to try to go to the left first. Let's see how this works. So we just heard some shots going off at the crossroads to the right. We went to the left, so I'm pretty happy with my decision. Let's see if we can find this waterfall. Alright, so after a 2.5 hour trek through the jungle, we finally made it to the waterfall. The water seems pretty deep. We're gonna go for a swim. Alright, the 2 hour hike was definitely worth it. We jumped off the rocks, we went swimming. This is one of those places you don't really understand it until you get here. Now we're gonna hike back, maybe get some food after. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright, we just made it back home. In today's vlog, we had Filipino dessert and then we went on a hike. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.
I just had to let you know you're